Welcome to our YouTube channel Chemistry by Sadhanvar.
Welcome to all of you in Chemistry by Sadhanvar. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, and the topic is how can the amount of different substances have same number of particles, and the number of particle is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. For example, if you ever take 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of hydrogen, and this 1 mole of hydrogen contain 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 hydrogen atom. When you take 1 mole of oxygen, this 1 mole of oxygen also contains 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. How can be this possible? The mass of hydrogen is 1 and the mass of oxygen is 16. So we are going to discuss this topic in this lecture. What is the topic is? I am going to describe it a little bit more. Suppose you are going to take 1 mole of hydrogen, and then you will take 1 mole of carbon, then you will take 1 mole of oxygen, and similarly you can take many other elements. When you count, when you calculate the number of particles, you will find that the number of particles in 1 mole of hydrogen is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. It means 1 mole of hydrogen contains 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. When you calculate number of atoms in 1 mole of carbon, you will find that it also has 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atom. When you take 1 mole of oxygen and try to calculate, try to find out, try to figure out the number of particles, then you will find that 1 mole of oxygen also contains 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. So the question here arises: hydrogen has different mass, carbon has different mass, oxygen has different mass. Like hydrogen, the mass of hydrogen is 1 gram, and the mass of carbon is 12 gram, and the mass of oxygen is 16 gram. Mass of hydrogen is different from the mass of carbon, and the mass of carbon is different from the mass of oxygen. Then how can this possible that all these three elements can have same number of particles? So we try to understand this. How can this be possible? Let me tell you one word, and the one word is dozen. Do you ever heard the word dozen? I am sure you heard the word dozen. Dozen is just a number. Dozen is equal to 12. Right? If I ask you take one dozen eggs, then you will take 12 eggs, right? If I ask you please take 1 dozen books, then how many books you will take? You will take 12 books. If I ask you please take 1 dozen pencils, then how many pencils will you take? You will take 12 pencils, right? But I am pretty sure you know that the weight of 1 dozen egg is quite different from the weight of 1 dozen books. The weight of 1 dozen books is quite different from the weight of 1 dozen pencils. Similarly, if I ask you take 1 dozen trucks, rough trucks, the big huge truck. 1 dozen truck means 12 trucks. Similarly, 1 dozen car means 12 cars. 1 dozen aeroplanes means 12 aeroplanes. But we already know the weight of 1 dozen egg is quite different from the weight of 1 dozen books, and the weight of 1 dozen book is quite different from the weight of 1 dozen trucks, and the weight of 1 dozen trucks is quite different from the weight of 1 dozen cars. As the weight of all these things are different from each other, the weight of egg is very less. We even can pick these eggs in our hand, but we cannot take 1 dozen trucks in our hand. We can take 1 dozen pencils in our right hand, but we cannot take 1 dozen cars in our hand. To park 1 dozen cars, there is a bigger place is required, larger place is required. it means the weight of all these things are different from each other. But if we take 1 dozen, then the value 12 will come. If we take 1 dozen trucks, it means 12 trucks. If we take 1 dozen car, it means 12 cars, although the weight of all these things are different from each other. Similarly, when we take 1 mole of hydrogen, then 1 mole, please listen carefully, the word 1 mole means 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. If I ask you, take 1 mole of trucks, then how many trucks will come? 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 trucks will come. Just like 1 dozen truck is 1 dozen truck means 12 truck. 1 dozen truck means 12 truck. 1 mole truck means 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 trucks. Similarly, 1 mole car means 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 cars. Although the weight of these trucks are quite different from the weight of the cars, but when we talk about 1 mole, then the number of particles are same in 1 mole. If we take 1 mole of hydrogen, then the number of particles is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. If we take 1 mole of carbon, then the number of particle is also 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. When we talk about 1 mole of oxygen, then the number of particle is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. The number of particles are similar, are same in all these examples, although the mass of hydrogen is quite different from the mass of carbon, and the mass of carbon is quite different from the mass of these huge trucks, and the mass of this huge car is also different from the mass of oxygen. But whenever we talk about 1 mole, then the number of particles are same. So this is the answer of today's lecture, in which we have discussed how can be amount of different substances have same number of particles. You are always welcome to ask questions. Please put your queries and put your questions in comments box, and also give me your feedback. Thank you so much.